Hi and welcome to Knowledgist. Hope all of you doing well. So today we will be discussing about the risk management vacancy in Bank of Baroda, both contractual and regular post. So let's begin. Let's start. Before that, if you are new to this platform, do subscribe us now. So yes, Bank of Baroda has just released 42 vacancies in the segment of risk management. So let's discuss. Before that, please confirm my audibility. Am I clearly audible to all of you? Do confirm. Am I clearly audible to all of you? I will also be addressing all your live doubts today at the end of the session. So first, let me take you to the advertisement. पहले advertisement के तरफ बढ़ते हैं. चलिए देखते हैं क्या क्या है, कौन कौन से पोजीशन के लिए वैकेंसी है. और रिस्क मैनेजमेंट में देखिए, रिस्क मैनेजमेंट इज ए स्पेशलाइज्ड सेगमेंट. सो नॉर्मली देर इज ऑलवेज ए लेस नंबर ऑफ advertisements, less number of vacancies, but at the end of this year we have predicted that there will be risk management vacancy in Bob as well. So here is the vacancy for all of you. It is head of the large corporate contractual you can also appear, but there are also regular posts where you should put more focus on. अगर हो सके तो कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल को छोड़कर आप रेगुलर पोस्ट के लिए अप्लाई करें. ठीक है, तो चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. 15 तारीख तक लास्ट डेट है ये कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल पोजीशन से. पहले हम रेगुलर पोजीशन के बारे में बात करेंगे, फिर कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल पोजीशन के बारे में बात करेंगे. दिस इज ऑन योर स्क्रीन्स. रेगुलर पोजीशन स्केल 3, risk manager large corporate credit risk, 5 years overall experience, out of which 3 years in corporate banking risk management department dealing with credit risk. Further I will analyze in coming days which type of experience will work, but if you are currently working in credit department as credit manager, you can appear for the post, right? So don't worry, this is going to be interview only, shortlist and interview. We will have a dedicated batch for this, and that course will be valid for any risk management for the year 2022. Okay, so then comes the senior manager, bank, NBFC and FI sector credit risk management. Like Union Bank risk management positions, here there is more focus on credit management or credit risk part. Okay, 5 years again experience and exposure to credit risk is admissible, right? So again in scale 3 I think there are 6, 8, 10, number 10, 11, 12, 19 number of posts, not 19 I would say. There is 19, 23, 23, around 30 vacancies in scale 3. So it's a good number of vacancy in regular positions, right? So I will also bring to you project finance, infrastructure and ESG, minimum 5 years, 3 years in project finance, etc. I think very less number of people will apply for this post. Then comes the credit risk management. Again, credit risk has greater exposure this time. 2 positions, needs to demonstrate credit assessment and underwriting skills in MSME management. That means they are directly asking someone who is a credit manager in any of the banks. Okay, bank or NBFC or BFSI sector, that is bank, financial institution and insurance company too. Okay, so again senior manager retail credit risk, again credit managers allowed. So now it's a time for credit managers to switch to risk managements. Here you will get larger exposure. And yes, operational risk 7 posts, scale 3 I am talking about, scale 3 only. Then model development and analytics, here model risk management 4 number of posts. Okay, portfolio monitoring and quality control, here 2 vacancies in scale 3, 5 years experience, at least 3 years in corporate banking and monitoring functions. So there is no need to have risk exposure here. Risk manager fraud incident and root cause analysis, 2 FCU people can work here. Audit, compliance, risk and governance, operational risk, fraud risk. Okay, then comes regular positions in scale 2, 3 years post qualification experience in predictive modeling, statistical analysis, data science, etc. in BFSI sector. Again in scale 2 1 position, minimum 3 years post qualification experience working in fraud risk management of banks. Okay, so good chance for all of you to switch to Bank of Baroda, a premier public sector bank, and good number of vacancies in risk management. Competition is less. You can apply here, and I will also be telling you what else we are going to cover in the risk management syllabus. Risk management course will be there. It will be applicable for both written and interviews, and in this exam there will be only shortlisting and interviews. In case number of applicants exceed the expectation or the threshold, they may go or they may restore to a written exam, but the chance of being a written exam being conducted is distinct. So you must be prepared for risk management concepts for interview point of view. Also in this course we will also be covering the mock interviews, all the risk necessary concepts of risk, tough banking concepts that is generally asked in a risk management interview, AML, KYC, all the related allied banking subjects will also be covered, and you will also be provided with the list of banking interview questions and risk management interview questions asked in previous years of interviews in Bank of Baroda as well as in other banks like Union Bank, PNB, Bank of India, etc. Okay, so these are the results. You can join here. Let's move to the live chat. Hope many of you have some in case any one of you have some queries, you can ask me. Sir, how is the work pressure in Bob for the role of senior relationship manager? Work pressure is there, I must admit. Work pressure is there. Okay, there is huge work pressure. Bank of Baroda is one of the aggressive banks, so work pressure is there. Yes, work pressure is there. 1 year PGDB eligible or not? Let me check it. Let me check it. I will be telling you. So for which position you are saying 1 year PGDB? Normally 1 year PGDB is not allowed here. CA full-time MBA PGDM or equivalent as full-time course from recognized university. Full-time is allowed. Year is not mentioned. 2 year, 1 year it is not mentioned. So okay, it is allowed. Yes, Lion wants to roar. Yes, it is better than any private bank. Bank of Baroda is better than any private bank. Eligible profiles are those who are having exposure to credit, those who are having exposure to operational risk, FCU, especially in private banks, there are FCUs. So all of them are eligible. Also for one post, you should have only corporate banking experience. People also allowed. So I will urge you to go through all the detailed advertisement. In case of any doubt, you ping us. We are currently busy with Bank of Maharashtra classes. So post that, the risk management classes will be taking. We will be addressing. You can enroll to the course from the website knowledgist.in here in the description, also from your application. Okay. Yes. So please don't call, just send a WhatsApp message. Your queries will be answered, or leave it in comment section. Me or other banking mentors of your platform will be answering you. Yes. Any other doubt, you leave a message, we will be addressing it. I must be telling you that this is going to be one of the premium profiles. Risk management, there is no sales target, there is no target, and it is treated as one of the post banking experiences. So switching, this is very good time for you to switch to a public sector bank. And remember, the number of applications in all these total positions will not exceed 600 to 700. So you can find your chance over here. Yes, Kitish Pandey, good evening. Good evening. Yes, and in case any one of you is new to the platform, do subscribe. Yes, let's see some of your doubts again. How many applications for BOM Scale 2 and Scale 3 received? Somewhere around 10,000, and it will take 3-4 days or a week to understand what are the number of invalid applications. Post that, I will come and address it. Okay. ओपनली सीबीओ रिजल्ट के बारे में ओपनली इसलिए नहीं बता सकते कि कुछ इंटरनल प्रोसेस चल रहा है स्क्रीनिंग को लेके, इसलिए आई एम रिस्ट्रेनिंग माई सेल्फ फ्रॉम मेकिंग ए पब्लिक कमेंट. ओके, सो दैट्स ऑल इन दिस एडिशन ऑफ नॉलेजिस्ट. बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा की ये रिस्क मैनेजमेंट के ऊपर हमारी नजर रहेगी आगे जाके. आई विल बी एनालाइजिंग. द एप्लीकेशन डेट इज टिल 15th. On before 12th, the Bank of Maharashtra written exams will be held. So you have time till 15th of March. Post that, we'll have sessions on Bank of Baroda risk management. But it is open for you to enroll and cover all the recorded classes of risk management available in application. Don't waste your time. Risk management is a vast subject, and in scale 2, scale 3, in front of interview board, you have to display heavy banking knowledge in order to manage the risks of the bank. Many of you will be posted, yes Srinivas, regarding experience, mandatory to have risk management. No, you have your related experience are admissible, like credit management, credit risk exposure, operational risk, corporate banking experience. So just go through the application, the online notification. You will find out where your profile is more suitable. In case you have doubt, share the screenshot to me with your valid doubts. It will be answered. ओके, बिकॉज आप जब डाउट स्क्रीनशॉट शेयर नहीं करोगे, डाउट खाली पूछ लोगे, तो मुझे फिर से नोटिफिकेशन देखना होगा. आई एम नॉट ए बाइबल, आई एम नॉट ए डिक्शनरी ऑफ नोटिफिकेशंस. पीपल इंस्टेंटली आस्क मी, बट इट टेक्स टाइम टू अंडरस्टैंड द नोटिफिकेशन. यू हैव टू गो थ्रू द एग्जैक्ट वर्डिंग्स. So don't expect me to be a superhuman. So please send me the screenshot where you have doubts, and then put your question to me. It will be better for me. It will be time saving for me to answer you immediately. Okay. Retail asset operation profile is valid. Yes, definitely valid. See, you have to show that how your work experience is related to risk management. This time we should crack it. That's the spirit, Srinivas. I am looking into my students. Yes, this time definitely you will crack it. Yes, retail asset operation in loan experience is valid. Akshay, it is expected in the month of March. Yes, rating agency analyst can apply. They are under BFSI sector. They can apply, Mr. I Patel. See, I will take care of my students profiling. Don't worry how to represent your profile, etc. And it will be as it will be interview only. Then we will have the focus how to introduce yourself, how you should represent your profile, how should you make a relevance of your profile related to the position you have applied. All of that will be done in Knowledgist. We are here for end-to-end results. We are here only for results. Rohit says, sir, you are great. Please confirm SBI CBO result date. It will take time, Rohit. Screening is on. I have been told a week back that it will be today or on coming Monday. But today I got no confirmation. So you have to wait because screening will take time. 3,000 people will be screened. It will take time. Risk management rural is okay. Yes, Lokesh, but BM profile, if you have corporate banking experience, share me all the experience, I will look into it. BM retail liability experience may not work, but operations profile will work. Okay. Qualifications CA, MBA, PGDB is allowed. You just go through, because I have less time today. So you go through the session, or you go through the notification, you will find out your eligible profiles. Then you ping us, we will discuss, and the live sessions will be launched after 15th March. All the applications are over. So before that, you please apply for the position if you are eligible, because there is no written exam. Core risk management knowledge and your interview preparedness and your presentation skill will make you qualify for this post. Don't worry about less number of positions. There are not so many available experienced people in a risk management profile even today. You just need to answer the questions in right direction. You are through, and their competition is less than any other exam in risk management. So go through and apply your log, your knowledge, your wit, all your all your stamina, whatever whatever suitable word you can put to my mouth. So yes, scale to bomb written cutoff कितना था 2021 में? 76. Preferred qualification is not mandatory. Many people will not have the preferred qualification. Like you have seen in UBI, they have not got enough candidate having exact experience. So, and they took few people, those who have allied experience. So give your luck a chance. Give your luck a chance, and we are there to help you out from any odd situation. Okay, so risk management classes are going to be very fun at Knowledgist. I love risk management. It is one of the premium segments, and very less number of people have courage to take rigorous classes on risk management. Even we have not done our best in risk management. So the more risk management applications will come, the more risk management vacancy will come. We will also get time to take more classes in risk management. That will also give us a chance to enhance our inventory of risk management question bank. Would love to start this batch of risk management. Yes, PNB it is expected after month of March or next fiscal year, you may say Manoj. Next fiscal year. जो अभी तक वीडियो को देख रहे हैं लाइक कर दीजिए. I will meet you in an upcoming session. We have all focus on Bank of Maharashtra. I take one batch at a time and we make that hit. As you know, we don't invade all the invade as it is in news due to Russia and Ukraine, but we don't invade all the courses at a time. We take one, we aim at one, and we achieve the target. So thank you for your love, support, and time. See you in the next session. Rural development, I will come up with a next class looking into the enrollments, etc. Go through it. Deepak, I will discuss in internal classes about rural development, so don't worry. Okay, so thank you. I have very less time today. I have some other commitments to honor, as promotional exams of various banks are ahead, and we have taken up the classes for AGM to GM in two major bank of the country, so I have to honor that commitment. Today I have a session at 9:30, so I have to stay prepared because there is high level students are there because they are AGMs and possible GMs, so they may ask really tough questions, so I have to prepare well. Okay, so thank you all your love and support. Thank you again. If you